After 15 years of WordPress, I've learned two things. First, it's incredibly powerful, and second, it can be painfully awkward. One thing that's always bugged me is adding pages to the navigation menu. So, instead of yelling at my screen again, I built my own productivity tool to fix it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Now, first, for those who don't know what I'm talking about, currently, if you want to add something to the navigation menu here or down below here, it goes in a way that you go and create a page. For example, let's create a new page, let's publish it. Now I have to go to the appearance and menus. I have to choose the menu. Next, I have to add it to the menu, reorder, save, and done. There is also another way that some people don't know. For example, let's go to the appearance and customizer. Now let's go to the menus down below here. Let's open it up. Let's open up the main menu. And now if I want to add something here, I can add an item. For example, I can add this one here by clicking on the plus button, and now I can rearrange it here. Or I can create another new page, add it. Next one, page number 2. Let's add it, drag it where I want, publish, and done. Now, if I want to delete it, there is another thing I don't like. I always have to open it up like this and remove and publish. Or when I go to the appearance and menus, let's refresh it for a second. I can either bulk select them like this, or if I want to delete them one by one, then once again I have to open it up, scroll down, remove, save, and done. Now, since I'm a lazy person here, I created myself a plugin which allows me to skip all these steps. For example, if I open up a site, you'll see there's a menu manager on the right. I choose a menu, for example, main menu, and I see all the menus here. I can choose another one, footer, for example. I can rearrange them like this. And when I do this, then I don't have to even save the page. If I go to the page itself and refresh it, when I go back to the footer, you'll see this menu is here. Let's test it once again. Let's drag it down below here, open up, refresh, and there you go. Now I can add this site to any of these menus here. For example, footer middle, it's gonna be a child of About Us. Add to the menu. As you see, it's here. Refresh the page. Boom. Done. Nothing complicated here. If I need to delete it once again, let's delete it, and fixed. Now, as you see, it says not in a menu since I deleted it, but if I select this menu here, main menu, it says in menu, and you'll see it displays it here. I can remove it or rearrange it. For example, currently it's up here, but I can drag it, for example, in this position. Refresh the page, and it's here. Let's move it back, up here, refresh, and done. Now, it works with the pages, and it also works with the posts. If you open up WordPress posts and this post here, if I want to add this post in a menu, for example, let's add it to the main menu, and it's gonna be a child of a gallery page. No, let's select the About Us page. Add it to the menu, refresh the page, and there it is. Now there is one more cool feature I added. That is, let's go to the appearance and menus. If the plugin is activated, then you'll see there is a delete button here. You don't have to open it up and click on remove. You can just do it here. Done, and done, save, and finished. You can download the plugin from this site. It's free to use. Just use this button here. I'm gonna put the link to the download page in the video description. And there you have it. Another productivity hack. Served piping hot and frustration free. Now, if this video made your life even 1% easier, go ahead and commit friendly assault on that like button. It can take it. Oh, and one more thing. This is the second video in the series. In the first one, I shared the easiest way to manage your WordPress plugins. You'll see it right here on the screen, so make sure to check it out next. Until then, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Assuming WordPress hasn't launched me into early retirement.